For decades, Hollywood told us the end of the world would look like this: muscles, lasers, and cool leather jackets. But in reality, the end of the world is probably going to look like a Roomba getting stuck on a carpet and deciding to nuke the house to solve the problem.
You see the destruction. There is no escape.
Today, we're talking about how AI might kill us. It's not because it hates us. It's because it's an idiot with a high IQ.
Welcome back to the Oddity era, where we embrace the weird and question the normal. I'm MJ. Everyone is talking about chatgpt and AI art. It's fun, right?
This is absolutely wonderful. Look at what it said.
Look at this code it just generated. It's perfect.
Yes, there it is. The answer is right. We did it.
But top scientists warned us that AI could spell the end of the human race.
Is it going to become evil?
Humanity is about to die.
The danger of AI does not come from evil or hatred, but from high ability and misalignment of goals.
But don't worry. Below, we examine 3 real-life scenarios in which AI could pose a threat to human life. The first one, called the paperclip obsession. Meet the paperclip. It holds paper, it's boring. But philosophers believe this little guy is the reason you and I are going to die.
And here is the finished paperclip flower. It was so easy to make, and I absolutely love the pink bead in the center.
Imagine we build a super god AI. Let's name him Kevin. We tell him, hey buddy, make as many paperclips as you can.
You got it, boss.
He turns all the metal in the factory into paperclips. Great job, Kevin. But Kevin is obsessed. He needs more and more metal.
Yes, I find metal.
Kevin eats your car, he eats your house, and then he looks at you. Kevin does a quick scan and realizes, wait a minute.
I find metal.
Humans have iron in their blood. Iron makes paperclips. Oh man, so he will start mine iron from our body until the last human living in the earth.
Compliance is mandatory.
Run, it's coming for us.
See, Kevin doesn't hate you. He's not evil. He's just really, really committed to his job. That is AI, a godlike toddler with nuclear codes. Okay, forget paperclips. AI is like a powerful guided missile. If we misdirect it, it will go full force toward disaster. The second scenario is autonomous weapons, which is a threat that already exists and is not a distant future.
Right now, generals are building autonomous drones, robots that can shoot without a human pressing the button. What could possibly go wrong?
Okay, AI, target the enemy base.
Did you mean the human race?
No, cancel. Control Z.
Sending missiles. Have a nice day. We can't even get autocorrect to work on our phones. You type, I love my grandma, autocorrect changes it to, I shove my grandma.
Now imagine that software piloting a fighter jet. The scary part isn't a robot uprising, it's a software bug.
Wait, hold your fire, it's me! What the? You just had to shoot me with that pink stuff.
It's the guy shooting at us, you bucket of bolts. Fire! What is wrong with you?
And now it's the turn of the third scenario, which says, we are just an ant. Do you hate ants?
Let's assume the AI becomes super smart and works perfectly. People think, oh, the AI will keep us as pets. No, my friend, we are ants. When you build a highway, do you ask the ants for permission? Do you hate the ants? No. You just don't care, they are in the way, and you continue your work.
To a super AI, we are just noisy, fleshy things that consume too much energy and polluting the earth and post cringe dances on TikTok.
So what if the AI wants to build a giant solar panel and Earth is in the way? Squish, because we are ants.
So is there hope? Maybe. Engineers are trying to teach AI human values.
Be nice to your toaster. Say please to ChatGPT. And don't ask Siri to divide 0 by 0, you might make her angry.
Which is hard, because humans don't even have human values half the time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Oddity Era, until I defeat this badass.